I boosted my organic AI search traffic by more than 4 times in just 1 month without writing a single traditional SEO blog post. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI search optimization strategy I used, and we'll be taking a look at free Vanna. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video so you can see how it works. Let's get stuck in. Righto everyone, as you can see, I'm currently on the official free Vanna app. So I've just opened it and launched it. I'll leave the link in the description of this video, so you can go and check it out for yourself. This is how the dashboard appears, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step so you can actually see how I quadrupled my AI search traffic in just 1 month. So first of all, we'll start over here on the left. Here you can go ahead and create a team. You can create an AIO team or a roofers team right here. And I've gone ahead and created my Nike AIO team. So once you've done that, you'll have all of these agents in your team and your analytics will be available as well. Right here you can see the team overview. For example, the visibility score, generated content, tasks completed, and you can see all of my different team agents. So I can go ahead and actually use these team agents to either write an article, analyze a scenario, or even write reviews here, or create a frequently asked questions page marker. So there are different agents in your team that you'll be able to use. If you scroll down, you can see our weekly progress here, and then you'll have your brand visibility, and here we have questions to track in AEO. So you can actually go and see questions to track, and you have candidates as well. So as you can see, the result for questions to track is 5, and they'll get us 50. The candidates here, as you can see, are 95, and we can go through all of them. And this is actually where the AI agent is going to work on the SEO. Alright everyone, you can actually go and add a question as well, for example. So enter 1 question per line to add multiple questions at once. So you can go ahead and do that as well. Alright everyone, now I'm going to show you where you can actually go right here to the analytics. You can go to the AEO team and you can actually delve deeper into the analytics of these questions. So I'm going to give it a moment to load and then I'll get back to you straight away. Righto everyone, so you can see that I'm back here at my team overview. So what free Vanna is basically an AI marketing team that operates 24/7 for you. As you can see, this is our marketing team right here. We have our team agents, as I mentioned earlier, and as you can see, our prompt researcher is currently running. Once the prompt researcher is finished, the data scientist will kick off, and then it'll keep going down the list until we reach the competitor analysis. So it basically runs around the clock, and what it does is bring you new traffic. So rather than people heading onto Google and other search engines to look for answers, free Vanna is specifically designed to track, capture and scale the traffic coming from these AI platforms like ChatGPT instead of traditional search engines, because that's simply not how the internet works anymore in 2026. Alright everyone, and the reason you can actually go and quadruple your traffic in just 1 month is because of the following reason. So instead of focusing on oversaturated or crowded keywords on search platforms like Google or even Firefox, it now goes and answers the less crowded questions that users put to AI like ChatGPT. And it'll actually take those questions and generate keywords for you. Rather than using the crowded ones that simply don't work, they actually go and answer the less crowded questions that people ask AI. And that's the new way free Vanna works. It actually goes out and targets this untapped market. So that's why you can actually go and quadruple your traffic in just 1 month like I did. Alright, so this tool will literally go and automatically identify the high intent, low competition keywords, and it will actually optimize them for you and then generate content based on that. So as you can see right here, still on the team overview, the generated content comes from high intent, low competition prompts that are optimized, and then they create generated content for you. So as you can see, we've completed 4 tasks and generated content. We've already completed 9% of our weekly progress in literally just a couple of minutes. Alright, and here's the last thing that's really good about free Vanna and AI SEO. So usually, traditional SEO would take at least 6 to 12 months to deliver a return. But these days, you can actually see results with AI SEO within just a couple of weeks. And the more people actually use these AI search engines and ask them questions, the more the traffic will increase. Because the more people go there, the less crowded it will become, and the more traffic you'll receive from this AI SEO. And honestly, if you have a tool like Vanna, it'll optimize everything for you. As you can see, the generated content's now at 2, so it's already increased. And as you can see, we've got a team working for us around the clock, 24/7. So if I were you, I'd definitely go and check them out. Ready to see a 4-fold increase in your own traffic? Have a look at the website so you can start your 7-day free trial with Vanna, and then you can actually launch your own AI SEO optimization campaign. So thanks a lot for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.